Welcome to this meditation. In this session, we'll explore a journey to deep relaxation, allowing you to release tension, embrace calm, and connect with inner peace. As we move through this time together, you'll be guided with gentle breathing, visualization, and affirmations to let go of stress and align with the tranquil state of mind. Now settle into a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. This is your time to nurture yourself and sink into a state of soothing relaxation. Let's begin this peaceful journey together. Imagine yourself as this calm, serene person, fully at ease. Imagine moving through life with this serene energy, free from stress and filled with a deep sense of contentment. This is the version of you that feels peace deeply and completely. Let yourself fully embrace this feeling. Feel the gentle joy and ease that comes from being fully present in your own calmness, shaping each moment with peace, breath by breath. Allow these feelings to become part of you, deeply rooted and ever present. Now shift your focus to this very moment. Feel your body supported, whether you're sitting or lying down. Notice this gentle rise and fall of your breath. Become aware of the subtle sounds around you, the feeling of air on your skin, and the calm within you. Take a moment to appreciate the stillness. Know that everything you're feeling, the calm, the contentment, the peace, exists within you. As you breathe, feel these qualities grounding deeply, ready to return anytime. Simply breathe into this awareness whenever you need, knowing this peaceful version of you is here. Breathe in slowly for 4 counts. And exhale for 4 counts. With each inhale, feel a wave of calm washing over you. And with each exhale, release any lingering tension. Let every breath take you deeper into relaxation, bringing you fully to this moment. Now breathe in for 4 counts. And breathe out for 4 counts. Feeling more and more relaxed. Starting at the top of your head, imagine a gentle, warm light softly relaxing each part of your body. Soften your forehead, relax your eyes, and let your jaw ease. This light flows gently down your neck, shoulders, arms, and fingers, melting away any remaining tension. Feel it flow through your chest, stomach, legs, and down to your toes, leaving you completely relaxed and at ease. Now in your mind, picture a serene, tranquil place. Maybe a quiet forest, a sunny beach, or a peaceful meadow. Feel yourself embraced by the stillness of this sanctuary. Safe, grounded, and free from concerns. Imagine a mirror in front of you, reflecting the most relaxed and peaceful version of you. Look into your reflection's eyes, seeing the calm, peace, and serenity shining back. This is the person you are embracing. Notice how relaxed this version of you feels, fully grounded and trusting in your own sense of peace. This is your ideal self, someone who lives in the calm and ease, independent of any outside stress. Take a step closer to the mirror and feel the warmth, calm, and peace that's in this reflection. With each breath, imagine these feelings growing within you. As you breathe, step into the mirror and feel yourself merging with this deeply relaxed self. You are now one with this peaceful, blissful self, filled with tranquility and inner calm. If any thoughts arise, imagine them as soft clouds in the distance, separate from you. Watch as they drift away with a breeze, leaving you feeling lighter and grounded in peace. Each time a thought appears, let it float away, returning to this sense of calm and ease. Now silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations. I am deeply relaxed and at ease. I am grounded in peace and tranquility. I release all the tension, embracing calm and bliss. My mind is still and I'm fully present. Each breath takes me deeper into peace and serenity. With each affirmation, feel waves of calm and inner peace expanding within you. Now see yourself moving through the day as this calm, relaxed person. Imagine handling each situation with calmness and ease, grounded in your inner peace. Visualize yourself moving through each moment with grace, centered in your own peace and presence. Know that this peaceful, centered version of you is part of you, guiding each step. Take a few deep breaths, anchoring these feelings of calm and serenity within you. Feel them settling deep within your mind and body, knowing that they'll stay with you long after this meditation ends. Remember, you can always return to the state of peace and ease whenever you wish. Slowly bring your awareness to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you. Move your fingers and toes, and notice the sounds around you. Take a final deep breath, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing the deep sense of relaxation and inner calm with you into the present. Each time you return to this meditation, these feelings of peace and bliss will grow stronger, supporting you in navigating life with calm and serenity.